Happy birthday, Tita Lottie. Punta ka naman dito. Miss ka na namin. Bye!
Sumakit ka.
Happy birthday, Lottie. Sana masaya ka. Mabuhay ka lang ng ulit-ulit. Happy birthday, Lottie.
Kinulit na lang niya. Sige na.
Hi, Lottie. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka at mabuhay ka ng mapayapa at paligaya. Hindi mo siya mapayapa at paligaya.
Parang artista yan. Nag-birthday greetings. Sadali. Hindi ako makatapusin.
Hindi ako makatapusin. Hi po, happy birthday. Sana makasama ka naman namin sa December. Kasi doon lang tayo nagkikita-kita. Ayun,
Kadyo po dito
okay na yun.
Hi, Lottie. Bakit na ba kayo? Lottie, oo.
Lottie, happy birthday happy birthday, Lottie
Ayun. So, ano ba sabihin natin? Happy birthday, Lottie. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. So, mas maganda mabuhay ka 24 hours a day. 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Huwag mo mabukasan na isa.
Sabihin mo, Lottie, may girlfriend ako. Pinabasi ko pa pala yung lagyan tayo.
Dinig nyo, dapat isaan na lang talaga to eh. So ayun, ganun kami kagulo kasi wala talaga eh. Biglaan to.
Dami pa
Kasi kaya, hindi tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya eh.
pressure naman kami.
O diba? AJ, kasalanan mo to. Kaya ito eh, biglaan. So ang pinaka-effort talaga namin is effort na nagkasama-sama kahit pa paano. Pero hiwa-hiwalay.
Magbabayad pa.
Okay na yun. Happy birthday. Gavin ka pala. Hindi.
Bye na.
Ay, dude! Bakla ka ng taon! Happy birthday!
Sana okay ang chat natin. Bagay, paras kami ng tummy. Happy birthday, dude. Para in-first na lang ng kape namin.
Miss ka na namin, so balik ka na agad.
Happy birthday, Lottie!
May girlfriend kasi Bakloy.
Wow, social.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lottie. See you soon. Peace. Peace. Bye-bye.
Hi Bob, happiest birthday. So I actually don't have much to say, but you don't deserve a paragraph. You deserve 1,000 books written about how amazing you are. So just wanted to let you know that through highs and lows, I stay with you. Through joy and pain, I'll stay with you. And through darkness and light, I'll stay with you. And I'll stay with you for now and always. And stay whatever you are. And just want you to know that you have such a sweet and genuine soul. I hope you never change. And hoping to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday!
Ate Lizelle, pasok ka na. Kain tayo. Kain na.
Go.
Ay, Ate Lizelle, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle.
Sige nga.
Sige, agaw.
Joke lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle lang, ganun.
Hey, Ate Lizelle, happy birthday. I wish you the very best. Ano nga sinasabi ni Chief? Best wishes.
Yes!
Go!
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle!
Go!
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle. Wish you more birthdays to come at saka wish ko sa'yo ay more health mo. Kahit marami yung trabaho ay bigyan ka pa rin ng maayos na pangatawan. Yun lang. Happy birthday, ate.
Yay!
Ayun, happy birthday, Ate Lizelle. Sana ay maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Oh, may ganun seryoso sa buhay. At sana ay lagi kang malakas at wag nang maging sakitin. At mahanap mo na ang pag-ibig na hanap mo. Yun lang. Wish you all the best in life. Love you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle. I wish na mga wish mo sa buhay ay matupad. I'm grateful for everything and grateful sa mga kindness mo na pinapil sa akin. Kahit na nagbago ka. Hindi. Tawa, sabi ko ganito kasi yun. You change, I've changed. We change. We all changed for the better naman. So, I'm so proud of you. And, ano nga tawag doon? Parang we appreciate you. I appreciate you. And, hindi kita makakalimutan. Nagpapaalam. Hindi kita makakalimutan.
Pakikat-kat na lang po yung
Huwag mong ikat. Ganito yung totoo to. Yun. We love you. Anong message mo?
May message. Wish ko lang sa'yo, ate, na sana...
Makadara, iiyak.
Boses ko lang.
Sabi siya?
Hindi ako naiiyak.
Okay, sige.
Serious na eh. Good health lang, good health.
Ayun nga, good health.
Ayun. Sana isipin mo yun yung sarili mo bago yung mga ibang tao.
Okay. Sabihan mo ba ito?
Iyak na. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Yes, happy birthday.
See you soon.
See you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle. Good health and God bless you.
Hindi ko talaga ako nabati.
Happy birthday, Ate Lizelle lang naman. Yun na.
Lizelle, ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Happy 30 plus birthday, Ate Lizelle! Sa wakas 2 minutes.